do a red ATS for temporary roadworks. We're offside 810. Stand by.
Just allow the 810.
Chasing suspects northbound 810 towards Great Cambridge roundabout.
Decamp males on foot towards the North Circular, on foot towards the North Circular. Got a male into the back gardens. Unit in the alleyway, he's garden hopping.
Probably a dog unit close by.
Two units in the alleyway, he's stuck on the fence at the moment. If you get yourself over the fence. MP from Impasse, we've got one male detained in the garden.